Hello friends, I'm Rajnikant Rawal and you are listening to me on iGujju.com. I'm very happy to present before you a very nice poetical message written by Swami Muktananda of Ganeshpuri. It is titled, I Welcome You All with Love. Because you have come to know of yourself, within yourself, I thank you. One thing is certain, you love me and you know that I love you too. We have a very close relationship, just as I am your own self, you are my own self too. We are so close to one another. In the same way, we are all the self of that one God. If your you goes away, if my I goes away, then you are not you and I am not I. We are all one. This is absolute truth. There is no difference between you and me. We are all sparks of the same consciousness of the same God. Your meditation is my meditation is your meditation. For all of us, the same self exists. It is one in many and many in one. People have very little understanding of their own purity. They think they are sinners or fools or small. We should always remember God reveals Himself to us within us in the form of love. That one exists in everybody and everybody exists in that one. What's the use of trying to worship the unmanifest God? He is already manifest in everyone's heart. Everything done by the body, everything done by the senses, all the actions we perform are worship of Him. To respect everybody is to respect your own self. To worship your own self is to worship everybody. To welcome another man is the greatest worship of God, because God dwells in everyone. Until now, no one ever experienced happiness through hostility, hatred, or jealousy. Tukaram says the only virtue is to help others. There is no other virtue. The only sin is to hurt others. There is no other sin. God should be pleased with your actions. So, perform good actions. Perform high actions. Perform honest actions. Do that which God likes. Then your attainment will be nothing but God only. If there is no experience of the self, if there is no respect towards others as your own self, then can this be real learning? Education is not a matter of degrees and titles or social position. Only the one who sees the same self in everyone is truly educated. The one who understands the essence of a human being has truly learned something. All other degrees and titles are worthless. If you want to learn something, learn to welcome others with the awareness that they are your own inner self. When you see someone, your eyes should be filled with love, your heart should be filled with love. Only then will your world become heaven. Just as the day of a swan is the night of an owl, in the same way, the heavenly happiness of one who knows God is very depressing for one who doesn't. Your heart should be like the heart of a human being, not like a rock. It shouldn't be dry and insipid with no love for others. Doesn't a hard heart give pain to oneself? To see God in everyone is the sign of true humanity. The person who honors another shows his own humility, shows his own worthiness. He reveals his own greatness and glory. It is the truest indication of his love for God. When you welcome another man with affection and humility, your worship reaches God and He becomes pleased with you very quickly. Then you too become happy instantly. Remember, we are all the same flame of God. Even though we appear to be so many, we are one and one only. Therefore, open your heart. Everybody is your own family. Everybody is your own relative. Everyone is your own self. Just as you keep meditating regularly and keep repeating your mantra with discipline, keep pouring forth love on each other. As you welcome others with great love, love will keep surging within you all the time. God is so filled with generosity that He is called the ocean of compassion. Daya Sindhu. He gives love to us and expects nothing in return. We should learn to love in the same way. As we turn inward with love, the scintillating flame of God reveals itself to us. This divine flame, filled with love, exists inside everybody. In fact, it is because of its radiance that we can experience love for others. Really, we don't give or take love. Love just arises and manifests within on its own. When that happens, love flows to others of its own accord. It is because of that flame of love within man that I am constantly welcoming you. It is not to flatter you, it is because that one exists in everybody. Even if you don't see it, I see it, and I will continue to tell you this every time I see you. Never forget, man is great, man is divine, man is perfect. The true attainment is the happiness of self. The true path is to love your own self. The true worship is to see that self in everyone. Once again, I repeat that you love me and I love you, and both of us love Him, the Supreme God, over and over, remembering that self with great love and respect. I welcome you all with all my heart. This is the blessings of Muktananda.